So welcome to another video. Today we are under Meet a Ford Transit, and this is a starter removal and installation video. Now here, as you can see, the starter is located on the passenger side of the engine, and to find it you can search for the drain plug, and this is the starter right above it. So we're gonna do the starter removement and replacement job today, and before you start this job, just remember to disconnect the negative terminal of the battery. So let us go in and see what we can do. So now that the starter is out, you have to disconnect the connection at the back of the starter. So what I normally do is I normally keep the starter up to get to the bolt and the nut that hold in the cable connections. Now most of the time when people search, they are searching for the location because they already know how to do the job. So most of my video will only emphasize on how to find the components and how to do the work. But this is the both side of there. Come on there. It's a two line. Guys, here we go. So we already disconnected the old starter. There it is right here on the ground, and the new one is in the box right here. And we're just gonna clean the terminals of these connections, and then we reinstall the new starter. As you can see, we are now installing the new starter right back into its position. So this is the ground wire. We already put on the positive terminal and the start terminal. So this is the new starter inside. Let's go and tighten up these bolts. Remember, this is the ground terminal, so this is supposed to go right here. Just put it in to hold the starter, then tighten the top bolt, and then take it back out and put on this. So now that we got all the bolts in and all the connection connected, including the ground terminal that I'm telling you about, which is this one. So let us go ahead and put on the terminal on the battery and start